Tonight, a Houston couple is telling us their dream of finally owning their first home quickly turned into a financial nightmare.
It did indeed. That's because their mortgage payment nearly doubled. Their realtor reached out to Maria Aguilera for help. She looked into the problem and has a solution all first-time home buyers need to know about. Maria?
Yeah, Lynn and Mia, well, what started as an exciting first step into homeownership has turned into confusion and frustration for this family. They say they followed the process they were given and never expected the sticker shock coming a year later.
For Daryl and Jamie Dillard, it was a first.
1 year.
Moving into their brand new home.
So excited about becoming homeowner.
A year later, a major surprise when they try to make a payment.
And all of a sudden, bam, they slapped us in the face.
Their monthly payment jumping from about $1,700 to more than $3,200. They moved into the new construction home in April of 2025 under a City of Houston Community Housing Development Organization program, expecting small increases over time. Not this.
And everything was going good, and all of a sudden we got hit with this.
The spike driven by property taxes and escrow shortage. After their home value jumped from about $225,000 to more than $470,000.
It's like another setback.
Earlier this year, Mr. Dillard suffered a stroke, hospitalized and out of work for 2 months.
It's more stress for me and my family.
This is our life. This is our livelihood.
Are spikes like this not common?
Correct.
We took their situation to Allison Celeste, a loan officer.
Harris County, as an example, is not supposed to increase more than 10% annually after the first year's valuation.
They've now filed a protest with the appraisal district and submitted paperwork to try to cap their home's value. We reached out to the City of Houston's Housing and Community Development leadership and was told, in Mr. Dillard's case, the required documentation for a capped valuation was not submitted, which meant they couldn't get tax relief on time. Adding that ultimately, it's the homeowner's responsibility to file that paperwork, and that they're exploring ways to work with the Dillards, homeowners, and housing partners to help them navigate the process. The Dillards say they had no idea any paperwork was missing.
It feels very good. I mean, knowing that it's something that can be resolved, you know what I mean? So there's hope there.
Inside these walls, they're still holding on to what they built.
We all come here and have dinner together, sit down as a family.
The dream is still standing, but so is the stress that came with it.
Yeah, we've also learned at least 2 other homeowners are dealing with similar issues, but the good news here, there is a path to try to fix this. Now, experts say stay on top of your escrow accounts, make sure any applicable exemptions are filed, and consider disputing property tax assessments each year if needed. Now, the deadline to file a property tax protest with the appraisal district is May 15. Lynn and Mia.
Quite the predicament. So thankful that there was a pathway to a solution for them.
They were missing a step they weren't even aware of. It's good that we let folks know this is what you do.
Yeah, it's a complicated process, so it's scary.
Yes, it is.